or what you do, when a bond is built, it feels good. It gives you a sense of security, a sense of love, peace, and happiness. This is some of my family. Shout out to everyone who's not here. But I just want to say how much I love you and how I can come home and literally pick up where I left off.
I never noticed him here the whole time.
He left. Yeah. He was here.
I know y'all are really busy. I know things change and we get older. New life enters and leaves our circle, but our laughs and love remains the same. And that's what makes us happy. That's what makes us special. I love you, family. I love you a lot. Thank you.